Hello viewers, here I am at the BYD stand at the Shanghai Auto Show, and check out this all-new BYD Seagull. In case you wonder, it's a small EV with a size between Li Mini and the BYD Dolphin, and has a motor with 55 kilowatts, 135 Nm torque, and a pack of blade battery providing 300 or 400 km range, in just around 11,000 euros. Although it looks small, the inner space is actually better than you think. I tried it out yesterday, and as a 6'3" guy, I can even fit in the back seat. So let's give BYD a big thumb up. In conclusion, it's sort of a Chinese version of a typical European small city car, with a face of Lamborghini Huracan. Which means Fiat, Renault, Peugeot, and Volkswagen, watch your back.